In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your WordPress website. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start by choosing the right platform. There are many ways to build a website, from site builders to custom code, but WordPress stands out for flexibility, ownership, and a huge ecosystem. If you want full control, go with self-hosted WordPress, often called WordPress.org. It gives you freedom to install themes, plugins, and monetize without platform limitations. Next, secure your domain name and hosting. Pick a domain that's short, memorable, and easy to spell. Avoid hyphens and tricky spellings. Choose a reliable host that offers good performance and support. Shared hosting is budget-friendly, managed WordPress hosting simplifies maintenance, and VPS hosting offers more power. Enable domain privacy. Turn on an SSL certificate for HTTPS, and point your domain to your hosting provider using the nameservers they provide. Now install your CMS on your host. Most hosts offer a one-click WordPress installer. Use it to set the site title, admin username, strong password, and admin email. Choose HTTPS if available, select your language and time zone, then log into your dashboard. Clean up by removing sample posts and pages so you're starting fresh. It's time to choose your theme. In your dashboard, go to Appearance, then Themes, and browse the library. Look for responsive, lightweight theme with good reviews and recent updates. Preview a few, pick one that matches your brand's style, and install it. If you've purchased a premium theme, upload the theme file and activate it. With the foundation set, install plugins. Add only what you need to keep your site fast and secure. Typical essentials include plugins for caching and performance, backups, security, SEO, spam filtering, forms, and image optimization. Keep everything updated, and delete plugins you're not using. Customize your WordPress site so it reflects your brand. Update your site title and tagline, set permalinks to post name, and create core pages like Home, About, Services, Contact, and Privacy. Decide whether your homepage will be a static page or your blog feed, then assign it in Settings. Build your navigation menu, add widgets or blocks for key content, and set up backups and automatic updates for peace of mind. Add blogs to your WordPress website to build authority and drive traffic. Organize with categories, write posts using clear headings, add images with alt text, set a featured image, and craft a concise URL slug. Preview on mobile, schedule or publish, and link related posts to keep visitors engaged. Finally, customize your theme. Use the customizer or site editor to refine colors, typography, headers, footers, and layout. If you tweak code or CSS, create a child theme so updates won't overwrite changes. Test on different devices, optimize speed with caching and compressed images, and ensure good contrast and keyboard navigation for accessibility. Follow these steps, and you'll have a secure, fast, and professional WordPress site you can grow with confidence. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.